Coach, pec deck reverse fly naman po, tutorial for rear delts. G.
First is yung seat height. So, adjust mo yung seat so the handles are at shoulder level or slightly below. Kasi kapag masyadong mataas, it will hit your traps more. And if masyado namang mababa, the pressure will go onto your lower back. Keep your chest against the pad para ma-minimize yung body movement and ma-isolate mo talaga yung rear delts mo. Pwede kang mag-neutral or pronated grip or palm facing down. Both work but pronated slightly emphasizes rear delts more. Mag-focus ka lang on driving the elbows out and back. Huwag mo masyadong isipin yung kamay mo. Isipin mo lang elbows out wide. Kailangan mo lang ng slight elbow bend pero hindi dapat gagalaw yung elbow joints mo, okay? So, dapat naka-fix lang yung arm mo. Pagdating naman sa range of motion, get a full stretch forward and squeeze hard at the end range, okay? So, hindi mo kailangan mag-push all the way back. So, kailangan mo rin i-visualize yung rear delts mo kasi hindi mo siya nakikita. Imagine them pulling your shoulder blades apart, not your traps doing the work.